be talking about that how you can remove the background of any image with the help of AI, which is very advanced, and we will be using for this the same platform is Leonardo.ai. So when you come to this platform, so the only limitation this platform has, that you can only remove the background to those images which you have been generated. So it means the images which is in your personal feed, because those are the content which you have been generated. So if you try the community content, let's say this is the community creation. So if I try to click any image from the community and I try to remove the background which is only possible, it's, you can see here that there is a three dots next to underneath to the image. So you click to the three dot and here you can see the remove background, which is disable this option. So it's not clickable because this content is belongs to the community. So what you can do, you can download this image if you want this image. So you will need to download this image and you need to generate your own content with the help of the AI, and then only you can remove. So I will come to the personal feeds, the content which have been generated by me. So yeah, so I have this content. So let's say if I will pick to this image, right, this uh, so in this image you can see that it's being generated with the help of this prompt, and it belongs to this. So I will click to the three dots underneath to the image, and now you can see that this option is enabled because this image, it's in my personal feed, and this image is being created by my prompt, you can say. So now this will cost to two more tokens to remove the background. So I will click to this, right? So it says that the requests have been submitted and it will take few minutes. I will come back to this screen back again, or I will refresh the page. So it will be removing the background to the selected image. So now I have been come back to the dashboard. After refreshing, I will click to this image again, right? And here you can see that it will take some time to remove the background. As you can see that it is in progress. So as soon as the progress has been done, the background will image will be removed. So I will click to this image. You can see that how good quality it is because I have been created with the highest quality. So I will refresh the page one more time. I will refresh the page one more time to see the background have been removed. Yes, the background have been removed, as I can see here, right? So I have two options now, the original and with no background. So once I click to the no background, so the image will be loaded and I can open the image, and here you can see the background of the image have been removed. So this is the or AI, and it's magic that it's removed. It's very good. The quality of the image, you can say, you can see that the quality of the image of the background, it's good. Now it's good. So yeah, this is all is very simple steps, and it do not cost too much tokens. If you even have a free account, so you can use this platform to removing an images from your content. So yeah, so we will be discussing more features in the next sessions. Thank you.